I think hopes now are much higher than they were even 2 or 3 weeks ago. I think there's a sense of confidence now that this can be beaten if China can be beaten.
Right. Beijing today?
Today, yes, and other teams are coming back, sort of staggered going out, staggered coming back. We have two worries inside China. One is Beijing, where the virus got hold and nobody was talking about it. The Chinese authorities were keeping quiet about it. And the price that is being paid now is that Beijing basically has lots and lots of outbreaks and lots of problems. The other problem inside China is the provinces, particularly the western ones, with the more remote ones, which have very poor health facilities, and also we think almost certainly poor reporting, so that the cases are not being reported back up the line to Beijing. We don't know what's going on there. That's basically a black hole in terms of information. We understand Beijing better, but to understand it doesn't mean that we have it under control. Beijing is still a serious problem.
So it's still...
But the mood was very positive. WHO was very encouraging about Hong Kong, and the feeling at the end of the meeting was that the WHO will no longer ask for specific targets from Hong Kong, like bringing the number of cases down to below 5 for 3 days. One of the other targets was less than 60 people being treated in hospital, that kind of thing. They weren't set aside, but the mood was moving towards WHO one day deciding, yes, Hong Kong is fixed, we'll lift the travel advisory.
But not soon, not in the next week? Or...
Not in the next week, no. And I guess not the week after, but it's getting close now. Yeah.
Right. What about Taiwan?
They're trying to establish two things. Why there are outbreaks in hospitals, because by and large, everybody has now learned how to control your hospital environment, right? But mistakes are possibly still happening in Taiwan. And also there are little spot outbreaks in apartment buildings, much smaller than Amoy Gardens in Hong Kong, which is a major conflagration. But they're unexplained, and we're trying to find out what's going on there too.